Can using a wire coat hanger to unclog a toilet damage the toilet? Using a wire coat hanger risks scratching the porcelain, chipping the glaze, and pushing blockages deeper, so treat that option as a last resort. Straighten only the smallest diameter section, bend a slight hook at the tip, and wrap the end with a few layers of tape to blunt any sharp edges before inserting it slowly. Do not force the wire or use aggressive scraping movements, because the porcelain and the trap can chip and small metal shards can fall into the drain and cause future problems. If the blockage is organic or soft, try several slow push and pull motions to break it up. Then follow with a toilet plunger used with a firm seal and steady strokes to clear the line. For hair, non-woven waste, or sanitary products, consider a plastic drain snake with a rotating head because it grabs debris without metal on porcelain contact. If water level rises to an unsafe point, stop and remove excess water with a bucket to avoid overflow before continuing. If you cannot clear the clog within a few careful attempts, call a professional to avoid causing a costly fracture or a damaged trap that will require replacement. Common mistakes are pushing aggressively and chipping the bowl, bending the wire too close to the porcelain lip and scraping the glaze, and using a thick gauge hanger that cannot navigate the trap, then forcing it through. To avoid chipping, always keep movements slow and limited to the pipe body and never pry against the bowl rim. Protect the hook tip with tape or plastic and use the smallest diameter wire possible to reduce contact area and pressure. If the hanger will not pass the shaped trap, switch to a flexible plastic auger or call a plumber rather than forcing more metal. Do not mix chemicals and mechanical probing because the combination can produce hazardous splashes or worsen chemical damage to plumbing seals. When in doubt about the blockage composition or the fixture age, stop and seek professional help to prevent turning a minor clog into a major repair. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community where people share real experience and practical advice. We help contractors find work and homeowners find potential help while keeping a space for peer-to-peer troubleshooting and recommendations.